one-tray containers are guaranteed for the life of the product to be free of functional defects in workmanship and materials when used in accordance with their indications for use. To return an item for warranty repair, there are 3 possible ways. Visit onetray.com/customers, select the Return Authorization Form or the RTM for warranty work, or you may call the office at 937-619-0138, or if you prefer, email the info line at info@onetray.com. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at 937-619-0138. Send us a message on our website, onetray.com/contact, or you can schedule a call with me by emailing bharmer@onetray.com.